Hi, this is Austin from Gamma Plus Stylecraft, and today I am here to talk to you about one of our most anticipated drops ever. This one's for real, the Instinct X Clipper. Whew! So the Instinct has taken the world by storm. One of our top sellers of all time, comes in, sells out, comes in, sells out. Instinct X, we did just drop. Boom, pre-sold out already. Don't worry, we have more Instincts and Instinct X coming. Even though we are sold out, we are gonna talk about it today. So do want to let the world know what is so special about it. So just incredible eye-popping package here. Really nice magnetic premium box that we're known for. Pop it open, and there is the beauty, the Instinct X. So with the Instinct being one of our top sellers of all time, arguably the best clipper in the world right now, being that it is the most powerful clipper with the intuitive torque technology of a vector motor and being so small and compact, we needed to come out with a new model to kind of take care of one of the preferences that people do have, which is some people felt the Instinct was a little bit too small. They wanted something a little bit bigger and more comfortable in the hand. Here we have the Instinct X. So really, we took care of that with a full-size body, reminiscent of our Ergo without the curvature, but it does taper to the contour shape of your hand. Each lid has a beautiful X design to it. So we've got the black and yellow. We do have the white and red, as well as the red and black. So these three different lids. To me, the white and red really pops, but can never go wrong with red and black. Can't go wrong with black and yellow either. You'll notice how easily these all popped out of the box. Attention to detail, my friends. So we did put these little thumb finger grooves here so you can pop the tools out of the box a little bit easier. So ton of power with the vector motor, just unbelievable. And the same technology where if I try to slow this blade down, it's gonna increase. And what it's actually doing is maintaining consistent RPMs no matter what type of torque it encounters. So some people think it's speeding up. Actually, the motor's revving up to maintain always an even, stable RPM or speed, rounds per minute. So unbelievable torque. Like all of our premium tools, does come with a really nice charging stand included. So no need to worry about your battery dying or removing a battery, because guess what? You just have a stand included already. Does have the 9-foot cord. It does also have micro USB compatibility on the back. And oh, by the way, it does come with a micro USB cord, just in case you don't already have 10 of those, which I think we all do. The SC screwdriver to make all your blade and body modifications. It comes with the 8 double magnetic guards in this really nice white that of course pops really against almost any hair type. This Instinct X, compared to the Instinct, it does have the stretch bracket. So you do get the stretch bracket, you get a spare cam, you get the different levers, including this really nice floating red lever and this really cool floating white lever that really pop on the tool as well. Your oil, your spare screws, and even a spare cam follower. So if ever your clipper does sound a little bit loud, it probably needs a new cam, and that's all it takes to make a clipper a little bit quieter. Over time, the cams can wear down. A new blade set will also fix that because the new cam's already included. Then in the box, you do get this really cool clear showcase window with the white Instinct X logo on it that can be added to any of them. So really, you can mix and match this to be black and red, black and white, same with the other colors as well. And then you can always throw your clear piece on as well. So honestly, trying to keep these short and sweet. I think so many people already know about the Instinct and the vector motor technology that is taking over the world and taking the industry by storm. Really quick, gonna touch on all the last points. This is another difference. It does come with our black diamond fade blade, where the Instinct comes with the vapor blade. And the feedback with the fade blade with the vector motor has just been outstanding. That high power vector motor, adjustable blade, can zero gap. 4 hours, up to 4 hours of cordless run time. The reason why it might be less is whenever the motor ramps up, it is going to use a little bit more battery life. Think about a car when you're driving city miles versus highway miles. So whenever it does encounter more torque, it's going to accommodate that resistance, increase the torque. That will take a little bit of the battery life. So it's up to 4 hours. It does have even a little bit of a larger battery than the Instinct as well. So a little bit of a longer runtime. Dub magnetic guards included, those white premium guards. 11,500 RPMs of just unbelievable power. Customizable click or freestyle levers with the different colors matching the different modular bodies. And of course, our signature, first ever to do, the modular customizable body kits. So this tool really needs no introduction, but we're doing it anyway. World, meet the Instinct X Clipper. Instinct X Clipper, meet the world.